I graduated as mechanical engineer, so I know how to design equipment for food industry. So it was about mechanical resistance, it was about capacity of the technological flow, but nothing directly connected with food safety. Romania is a quite big country. We have 20 million of consumers willing food safety, safe products. Small companies are quite far away from these concepts, so they are not dealing with these aspects. And finally they fail because they have problems. So a lot of investment without results. The manager should know that if they don't prepare now, they can anytime have costs thousands higher than preparing the floor or changing the system of drainage. And more than the cost is the trust of the clients, because it's very easy to make mistakes in this area. I think it's very important to understand the dimension of EHEDG. They can see a lot of companies with very smart solution. They can compare with what they are dealing and understand that it is possible. If you can go to a congress, you can understand that there are hundreds and thousands of people working in this area, and they are doing a very good job.